Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix WWE 2K26 game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen or stuck on infinite loading screen, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit. And then relaunch Steam and then go ahead launch the WWE 2K26 game and check. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to close WWE 2K26 game from the task manager and then launch the game and check. So open task manager, look for WWE 2K26 game, right click on it and then click on end task and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 3 is to try offline mode and then switch to online mode and check. So just launch the game in offline mode, and once your game launched, then you can switch to online mode and check. Fix 4 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on WWE 2K26 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on WWE 2K26 game and then select properties, and in the launch options type -DX11 and then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to C drive, program files x86, Steam apps common, and then open the game folder, that is WWE 2K26 game folder, and then right click on WWE 2K26 _ x64 exe file and then select properties, and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then in the compatibility tab check mark run this program in compatibility mode for, from drop down here select Windows 8 and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then check mark disable full screen optimization option and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all these 3 boxes and then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next fix is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it, then click on virus and threat protection, scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection, click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, and then click on add an allowed and then click on browse all apps, and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam apps common, open the WWE 2K26 game folder and then look for the WWE 2K26 _ x64, select it and then click on open to add it to the list. Then go back, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall and then click on change settings and then click on allow another app and then click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files x86, Steam apps common, WWE 2K26 folder, select WWE 2K26 _ x64 exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well, or simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphics settings and open it, then click on add desktop app, then go to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files x86, Steam apps common, open the WWE 2K26 game folder and then select the WWE 2K26 _ x64 exe file and then click on add After adding it, expand it and click on the drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance, and then relaunch the game and check. Fix it is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website, and if you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website, and if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your current graphic card driver and then reinstall it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, scroll down, enter your graphic card driver version over here, and then enter operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run it. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow, and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, and then select custom advanced option. So check mark custom advanced option and then hit on next, and then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on WWE 2K26 game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This is just an example I'm showing with another game. Fixed is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version, and if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 11 is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on WWE 2K26 game. This is just an example, and then select properties, and then enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fixed will is to delete WWE 2K26 config file and saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and save setting. So keep the backup of this two folder to desktop first. So open File Explorer and on the left click on Documents and then open the WWE 2K26 folder, and here you will see the config file. So right click on it and first copy it and paste it to desktop to keep the backup, and then right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now again open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open the app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, show, and check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder and then open the local folder. Inside the local folder you will find WWE 2K26 game folder. Just right click on it and copy it and then paste it to desktop to keep the backup. And after keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fixed setting is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the taskbar Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Reserve Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 14 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing them, just restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall WWE 2K26 game from your PC and then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve WWE 2K26 game not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.